Welcome to Everyday English with Mr. Nuto. This is the channel where learning English is not just about study time. It's about transforming your daily routine into a language learning adventure. Today, we'll uncover a truth most learners don't realize. You don't need to move to London, New York, or Sydney to become fluent. You don't need a private teacher whispering in your ear every night. And you certainly don't need to spend hours buried in grammar books. What you really need are small, powerful steps that fit naturally into your life. Think of them as bricks. One by one, they may look small, but together they build a strong, unshakable foundation. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple roadmap to make English practice part of your everyday routine, no matter how busy or shy you are. Now, let's begin with one of the most powerful techniques that learners ignore: shadowing. Imagine standing in front of a mirror that doesn't just reflect your body, but reflects your voice in English. That's exactly what shadowing is. You listen to a native speaker, their rhythm, tone, and flow, and you repeat instantly, like an echo. No translating, no stopping, no overthinking, just pure repetition. At first, it feels strange, even awkward. You might stumble, miss words, or feel your tongue fighting against the rhythm. But this discomfort is gold. It means your brain and mouth are rewiring together. With just 5 minutes of shadowing daily, you will notice your pronunciation smoothing out, your rhythm flowing naturally, and your confidence growing faster than you thought possible. Let's try it right now. I want to speak English fluently. Repeat that. Again, shadowing helps me speak better. Keep going. Feel how English rolls off your tongue. That's progress in action. But shadowing alone won't get you to the finish line. You need consistent habits. And the first golden rule is simple: listen to English every single day. Think of listening as fuel. The more fuel you pour into your brain, the farther your speaking will go. Podcasts, YouTube videos, songs, audiobooks. It doesn't matter what you choose as long as you do it daily. Even if you only catch half of what's being said, your ears are being trained to catch rhythm, intonation, and real-life vocabulary. Don't wait for study time. Make English your background music while cooking, exercising, cleaning, or relaxing. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to create a shift. The secret isn't in understanding every word, but in immersing yourself until English stops sounding like a foreign language and starts feeling like a familiar friend. Next, let's go deeper. Thinking in English. Translation is the #1 trap that keeps learners stuck. When you think, "How do I say this in English?" you're already one step behind. The key is to cut the translation cord. Start small. When you wake up, think, "It's morning. I need coffee. I'm still sleepy." When you step outside, say in your mind, "The sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog." These micro thoughts may look simple, but they rewire your brain to connect directly to English. Over time, your thoughts will become sentences. Your sentences will become ideas, and your ideas will become conversations. Whisper them, speak them, own them. Each thought is a seed, and daily seeds grow into fluency. Another game-changing step is read aloud. Silent reading is safe, but it won't train your tongue. Reading aloud forces your mouth and your brain to work together, building muscle memory for pronunciation and Fluency. Start with children's books, short stories, or dialogues. First, read slowly and clearly. Then, read faster. Then, add emotion, like an actor. When you exaggerate expressions, your mouth learns flexibility, and your voice gains confidence. Think of it like going to the gym. The more reps you do, the stronger your English muscles become. Reading aloud is not just about words on a page. It's about transforming your voice into a powerful tool that speaks English with clarity and confidence. Now, let's bring English into your everyday world. This is where transformation happens. It's not about studying English. It's about living with English. Start with your phone. Switch it to English. You check it dozens of times a day, right? Each swipe becomes a mini lesson. Update, settings, brightness, download. You're not memorizing. You're absorbing. Next, keep a tiny diary, just 3 sentences a day. Today was busy. I felt tired. I watched a video in English. That's all. Small, repeatable actions that create big change. Then record yourself speaking for 1 minute daily. Don't judge, just talk. Over time, you'll hear your mistakes and correct them naturally. And finally, don't learn in isolation. Join online groups, comment on videos, send voice notes. Real interaction, even short, keeps English alive and exciting. The final secret is this: turn daily routines into English practice. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Replace 5 minutes of scrolling in your native language with 5 minutes in English. These tiny switches create unstoppable habits. And habits, my friend, are what build fluent speakers. Remember, fluency doesn't come from one giant leap. It comes from small, steady steps repeated every day. So, let English be your background, your diary, your thoughts, your conversations. Don't just study it, live it. That's when fluency stops being a dream and starts becoming your reality. See you next time on Everyday English with Mr. Nuto.